back with the next take of this. So let's log in. Episode, yeah, that's the word I was looking for. So to recap, we're down £900, $900, whatever. 100k was our starting balance. Now we're just gonna simply get back into it. Now I can see this. It's looking to go up, but I'm gonna wait. One of my main rules is, by the way, I'm eating, apologies, but one of my main rules anyway is, if there's no break, there's no trade. So yeah, structure needs to be broken. That has happened here. Simply gonna wait for the trade to give me something solid. Here, thank you. Yeah. So I'm looking at this. And use 30. Okay, cool. This we could actually look for sell here. Let's see. Yeah, we could. Now, where from exactly? That's the question. I have 3 spots. I want to divide potential entries. So I like the idea of using this. And the idea of using this up here. That's about it, really. Okay, cool. I'm gonna split 15%, I think, each. Oh, 0.15 each. Yeah. Placeholder. Yep. Like that. And then this as well. To be fair, let me see. 800. Nah, you know what? Let's be a bit more risque. Yep. Okay, cool. Since nothing else has happened in the others, we're keeping an eye on this one, and we'll see what it will give us. So let's speed it up a bit more to 30 minutes. It's going. Gone. Okay, cool. That means these are not valid any longer. I'm looking at the 4 hour. That's a shame. That's a very big shame. Okay, in that case, so we've had price tap into the 4 hour twice. I do believe it's gonna reverse and go back up, but we'll see. We don't know. Let's see. EJ, anything yet? Oh wow. Okay, wait. Each gave us. Oh wow. Okay, cool. So this is actually nice. Actually, chop to the downside. After tapping into here, meaning I'm looking for the entry within here, and 15 minutes sell off from here, I believe. Yep. Stop loss is quite big, to be honest. 4 hour. Oh, I thought it was gonna go going upwards. Oh well. Funnily enough, it's what of this order block here. I want to take it all the way down here, and because I normally do it, I will take it down there. You know what? I'll take it down there. Yeah. Please hold up. 0.2. Okay, we'll see. What URED? What's given? What is it given? Reversal into this now. It's gonna pay me because I believe it's gonna come off there, and then we'll have to wait and see. 15-minute. Let's see. Actually, no. You know what? I'll wait. EJ. Let's see what it can give us. Okay, cool. Let's go. Okay, we're into the NY session now. Nothing's happened so far. Oh, yeah, the chuck in here. Could have entered here. I think it's gonna keep dropping now. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll place an order. But wait. Oh, yeah, let me actually do this. Guys, this isn't really suggested. Okay, because I've entered here, I want a minimum 3 RR. In fact, I want to keep it at 3 RR. Yep. That's a market order right now. No, 0.10. Whoa. 1. Is this a market order? I don't know. Let's see. I don't feel like it is. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay. That isn't suggested to do, by the way, but hey, I'll take the risk. This, I'm not liking the way it's going right now. I want to cancel it, but then again, there's liquidity up here as well. There's a pool here, so price might take it out and then drop. We'll see. Play. I'm not liking it. It's ranging. Okay, and this is activated now as well. Yeah. What's this fella doing? You are joking me right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're not. Oh, you can't be serious. You cannot be serious. You cannot be serious. Yeah, that's painful. Okay, so it's gone. I'm not no longer looking at this. Yeah, no longer looking at this. Cancelling it. Let me look at the others. US 30. Oh, you're joking me right now. This is no, you can't be serious. No. You're taking the piss. You're taking the piss. There's no way. And this is gonna work all the way down. That's what I'm. Ugh. Okay, no worries. Your AUD. What was him? I think your AUD. I think profit. Yes. No. No, we lost. We lost on this. We lost on this. We're now minus 1,000. I can see, yeah, we lost. Okay, no worries. Yeah, I shouldn't have taken that trade anyway, so that's a lesson for me. We are in discount. I don't know what I'm looking for. A sell there. You can, but highly not advised. Okay, that's it for this video.